let's do elimination again. Let's do a harder problem because you're not always going to have everything lined up pretty and an opposite pair just ready to go. So we need to know what to do if we don't have that situation. All right, the first thing we're going to do is make sure that our equations are lined up the way they should be. If not, we're going to need to rearrange them so that the numbers, the letters, the signs all line up. So we have a y, a sign, an x, an equal, a number. Y, sign, x, equal, number. Beautiful. These are lined up and ready to go. So let's look to see if we have an opposite pair. Let's see. That would really be a 1y. So 1y and 2y, not opposite. Negative 3x and 5x, not opposites. So we're going to need to then create an opposite. And the way that you create an opposite is to multiply an equation on both sides to create what we need. So if I look at this formula here and I say, all right, I want to get rid of the y's, okay? This looks like an easy one to get rid of here. I look over here and this is a 2y. Well, what's the opposite of 2y? That would be negative 2y. So what do I need to multiply this by to get negative 2? Well, negative 2, right? So I'm going to multiply this by negative 2. But remember what I do to one side of the equation, I do to the other, and then I keep it balanced, and it's proportional. It's the same equation. So now let's rewrite my new old equation, just all dressed up, right? So negative 2y, and negative times a negative is a positive 6x, and over here we have negative 14. All right, now remember, this equation is proportional to this one. They're the same. We followed the rules. We multiplied on both sides. Now if I look at this dressed up equation and my other one, I have an opposite pair right here. All right, so then what I need to do is line up my equations like before. So I have negative 2y plus 6x equals negative 14. Bring this one down, 2y plus 5x equals 3. And now when I add them together, something's going to eliminate. Right? If I try to add them the first time, I just end up with more x's and y's. This time my y's disappear. I have 11x is equal to negative 11. And then when I divide both sides by 11, I have x is equal to negative 1. All right, at this point, it's easy, right? We're back to what we knew before. We're going to take this x, we're going to plug it back up here where it has an x for negative 1, and now we have 2y plus 5x, and we just found out that x was negative 1. All right, and we're going to solve this. So let's see. This would be 2y minus 5 equals 3. Add 5 on both sides. Got myself 2y is equal to 8. So y is equal to 4. And now I've got to give my answer, right? Don't leave me hanging. What is the point where they cross? Well, they cross at negative 1, positive 4. And remember, you know you love math.